guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play a obby. Okay, where is the obbies here? Let's just play this one because I don't want to wiggle my hands so much. Okay. But what is hard? Oh, hard. Then trade the subscription. And that's okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, I played this game before. Okay. I try to hug and push him. Okay, let's go. Okay. Please don't troll me. If you troll me, I will be shocked. Thank you very much. Don't hug me. Thank you. Okay. This obby is very easy. I hope they don't troll other people. Because they probably think it's me. Oh, oh, ah. Okay. What is this? Burp? Easy peasy lemon. Oh, easy peasy. Which way would I go? I think this way. I will speed run this obby. I will never fall. If I fall, I will. Sorry. Okay. I will just get this one. Let's go. Which way is the right way? You go first. Good job. Okay, let's go. Don't hug me. I just want. Yeah, I know that what I'm gonna do. Okay. Someone hug me, please, and turn me to the parrot. No one's gonna hug me. Okay, someone hug me, please. Someone hug me, please. Someone hug me. Do you have a magic carpet? Oh, you have. Don't you reset? Let's get you. You girl. Get over here, girl. I don't know who's gonna hug. I'm gonna hug. Hug. Yay! I got her. Okay, let's go. Let's go in here. Do you want? Last time I won this game. Okay, let's throw her inside. Haha. Now you're not gonna escape. Goodbye. Do you even can reset? Okay, can reset. Okay, I don't care anymore. Now he's trapped. Goodbye. I will come back for 10 years. Oh no, I died. Yeah, I'm okay. Let's see if she's still in there. Okay, let's see if she's still in there. Let's come back for her. Okay, let's go. Okay. And she is gone. Yeah, just what I thought. She's back. Oh no. If he die, I'm gonna run. I'll just reset, bro. She touches cannot. Oh my gosh! I just died again. Where's that girl? I'm gonna get revenge. Okay, I probably didn't have to do that. Haha, you cannot escape. I will reset. Okay, I'm not doing a obby, I guess. Okay, let's go back to a different obby. Oh my. I said go back to a different lobby. I'm still here. Okay, let's go. Okay, what should we play next? Let's join some. Why is this happening? Okay. Can you come back please to our perfectly normal iPad? Okay. What should we play Obi next? I'm tired playing Obi, so let's play a different game. Okay. Let's just play the zoo, okay? I cannot find something else to play. So let's just play zoo. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's go. We're only 3. Okay, I'm gonna change. Are you seriously skipping me? Until I'm gonna change my clothes, please have to start. Yep. So the list changing to our default. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. I know. I look like a baby. Why is my voice like this? Oh, it's perfectly fine. 8 people have been captured. I don't care about them, bro. I just want to leave. Okay? I don't want to get dead by a wolf or a cat. Is that even a wolf or a cat? That's cute. She looks fine. Okay, I'm just gonna save one girl. Is it a girl or a boy? Okay, let's pick a girl. Who's cute here? Okay, you're cute. I'll save you. I'll save you because you're cute. Okay, if I die, I'm gonna not. Oh, not there. If I sleep, I don't save her. I don't sleep. I save her. Here, you're alive now. Okay, why am I coming back? Let's hide. Okay, really not. Where's the other keys? No, I just sleep on a banana. Bro, a banana. Bro, a banana. Banana. What am I gonna say? I said a banana. What is a banana? A banana is, I don't know. Why are you hiding? There's no one here. Okay, banana. I keep saying banana. I don't know why. If I get killed, surely yesterday I'm gonna shout so hard I will lose my voice. Okay, let's go. Is there someone there? You are dying for like less. Why, bro, as everything's hiding when no one is here. Okay, I never been to this spot before. Okay, break. Okay, break. I don't want to pick up. Thank you very much. If I got that. Oh, it's scary here. It's very, very scary. Okay. Let's see, but not. Oh, you want to heal? Okay, I'll heal you. Okay, you're healed. Let's say this girl is cute. Why you're happy when you're in jail? Okay, let's go back to that room. I think this is the room I went before. Okay. Oh, it's not. Oh, this way. Okay, hide. If someone died, you died. Touch is down. Are you seriously? You just died 10 seconds ago, bro. Save her. Okay, I'm getting out. I think there's no one here. People still in here. Okay, now I'm scared. If I get caught, I'm gonna leave. Okay, just kidding, bro. I might. Okay, I have 39 seconds for that. If I got caught, oh, shell again. Okay. Okay, sorry for the shouting. All the girls and one boy is saved. We only need 3 more. Okay, let's go find some keys. Are you in the painting? Oh my. Okay. You just. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Haha, you can catch me now. Are you still there? Okay, I'm really gonna shout. Okay, sorry. Shall we? Okay, we'll go in here. Are none of you still here? Nothing. The end of you is here. Mamma mia, no! Oh no, I'm gonna die. Can you please stop now? I need to get healed before I die. Can you heal me? Because if I get not, thank you, bro. Okay, let's go find some keys. I don't want to get Alamadeded. Alamadeded. Okay, let's go here. If I got caught again, I will shout, scream for help. Can you please open? Make a key there. Oh no, help me. Oh no, I died again. I'm really right there and you're looking at my screen. But you cannot go there. Oh bro, help me. Help me. Help me, bro. Help me. Help me. Help me. Thank you. We still need 3 more. Are somebody finding something, please? Oh no. I'm gonna die, right? Okay, she don't see me. Good. Okay, you can help, right? You can help. Okay. You cannot. Okay. Don't talk. Because I'm bored of you. If I die again, I will leave. Okay? Okay, let's find some keys. Or just keep coming back to this place. Okay. Oh, slide. Oh, slide. Oh, never been to. Oh, yay. We got it. Slide. Oh no! I got the key. Now the key is behind me. Wait, I'm the only one left. Okay, I will leave. Okay. Okay, I will leave. Okay, I'll leave. Okay, I'll leave. Okay, I'll leave. Why is everyone dead except for me, bro? Did I get good enough? Okay, let's pick another game. Okay, this is the last game. Oh, I don't like Rainbow Friends. Okay, let's pick another game. What should play with again? Let's play this one, bro. That's ugly. Did Reels no? Teamwork carry. Okay, let's play this game. If I'm done, I'm done. Okay, this is the last game because I'm tired. Okay, let's go. Okay, who's people? Can we be teammates? Oh, I don't like boys. I like girls. Okay, let's see for someone is in here. Oh, I like you, Bacon. Can you? Yay! Pick up her. Hey, hey. Haha, I'm gonna throw you. Oh no! I perish to death. Okay, you're so dumb. Okay. Okay, you're dumb. Yes, I'm sure I want to not pair with you. I want to pair with you. Okay, look at you. Haha, now you don't have a pair. Because this girl is much better. So, okay. Did you not show? Hey! Throw me there, bro. Throw me there. If you don't throw me there, you're dumb. Dummy. You're dumb. Okay, let's go. Okay. If I fail, I'm gonna leave. Good. Now, press that. Good. Now I pick me up, bro. Pick me. Thank you. Now I'll slide me there. Don't throw me there. Slide me there. You're done. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good job. Now I'm keeping you alive there. Okay, teleporting you. Pick up, haha. Because I know what is next. Oh, 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 oh. And before that, I'm okay, haha. That's beating work again. That's for it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. You're not supposed to throw me. Throw me there. Throw me there, bro. Okay, you're dumb. Pick up, you pick up, pick up, pick up. Okay. Now I'll be dead. Now pick up me. Now throw me there. Good job. I'm not gonna help you anymore. Now teleport me. Thank you. Now, haha. Now, let's go. Oh no, we fell. Let's do it again. Okay, throw you there. Now pick up. Oh, you seriously? That was a little kid. Okay, you're not throwing me better. Throw me. Not throw me there, bro. Not throw me there. Not throw me there. Get a perfect angle. Okay, you that. Okay, I'll pick you up. Throw you there. That's how you feel to be. Now, throw me there. Throw that man too. She don't see. Yeah, Spooderman is much better. I'm party with you, Bacon. Bacon girl. Okay. I'm gonna partner with you because you're so dumb. Okay. Now you don't have a partner, that's why. Bye. Ninja, can we be partners? Do you have already a partner? Okay, no one's gonna be my partner. Okay, let's play this. You're still there because you're a big old dummy. Okay, let's go. Let's hit it equals 0 actually. Yep. Let's play this. Unlock now. Yes. Play as Bunny Obby chapter from unlock now. What, bro? Okay. This is the end of the video. Goodbye.